extra when we put the final card on top. I've never built a pyramid this big before.
Well, what if it collapses?
It won't collapse, Melly. I need to concentrate and have a lot of silence. Attention, Kikis. I'm about to lay the final card. Please, everybody. I need to concentrate so the cards won't fall over. Please don't make a sound. It's important to me.
Sorry.
I'm sorry, Chen-Li.
It's okay.
The hiccup was stronger than me.
I can't believe there's a hiccup stronger than you, Joanna. Whoa, that's what I call a mega hiccup.
It's not my fault, Melly. I can't control how it comes out.
Wait a minute. Let me see.
Well, Bum, it's not like I'm choking.
It's to make the hiccups go away. Did they?
I don't know. Does anyone know how to get rid of hiccups without hurting me? I mean...
I know another way. Come with me, everyone.
Are you sure this is gonna work, Bum?
Sure. I saw a girl from the 4th grade doing it at school. Trust me, drinking water upside down is the best way to cure hiccups.
Well, hurry up and get the water over here. I'm getting dizzy.
Hurry up, Bum. Hang on. Sorry. I wanted to put the water in Joanna's favorite cup. Drink up. Sorry, Joe. Did you get hurt?
No, I'm perfectly fine.
Are they gone?
I guess they're finally not gone.
Oh, poor thing. What about a cookie? What's that, a yes? A chocolate cookie can solve any old problem. No, Bum, that was just a hiccup. And besides, you really can't solve the world's problems with sweets.
So loud.
And annoying. Hey, girls, I can't take this anymore. It's gotta stop.
But I think we've done everything we know how to do. Maybe we didn't. You know, I just remembered something. A recipe from Grandma Yakira to cure hiccups. You have to hold your breath, and I'm going to put a red thread on your forehead in the shape of... a cupcake!
It kind of looks more like spaghetti.
Come on, Joe, hold your breath. A red thread on the forehead in the shape of... I can't remember. Now, what was it?
We might as well just give up.
Forget about water and holding your breath. They're not working. I've got an idea.
Did you find anything, Chen-Li?
It'll just take a minute. Let me see.
No,
not that loud music again! I have to concentrate on my research if we're gonna help Joanna. Where was I?
I remember. A red thread on the forehead in the shape of a thread.
Well, it didn't work.
Drinking water upside down? No luck. How about this one? It says slowly fill up a big party balloon with air.
What?
We haven't tried this. Here, start blowing it up.
I'll try it. Enough is enough, girls.
I give up.
I can't take it anymore. All this fuss for me. I'm going away, and I'll come back when they're gone. This is terrible. You scared me.
We're sorry, Joe.
No apologies needed. No one's ever thrown me a surprise party.
But this isn't really a surprise
No,
party.
if this were really a party, there'd be lots of music and dancing. We had to take drastic measures to help you get rid of those hiccups.
Oh yeah, the hiccups.
She still got them. I've got another idea. wanna be? What you doing here? What's a few moves make the hiccups disappear?
If you're gonna have the hiccups, you gotta make it sweet. Just make sure your hiccups are grooving to the beat.
But the hiccups have a way of messing with your mind. Just keep rapping to the beat and leave them all behind.
You know I love to rhyme because I do it all the time. Are the hiccups gonna stay or are they gonna go away? Are the hiccups gonna stay or are they gonna go away?
Hey, yo! Hey, yo! Hey, yo! Hey, yo!
Now, break it on down, Kikis.
Hey, yo! Hey, yo!
Ha! So now what? What happens now? Are the hiccups gonna stay? The hiccups? The hiccups? The hiccups are gone, Kikis!
You see? Just like I said, the hiccups will go away on their own. You said that, Melly? Didn't I? It was what Grandma Yakira said. I forgot to tell you. No matter. They're gone. So why don't we go back to Chanli's house right now so we can build another super hyper mega blaster impressive pyramid?
Awesome! But there's only one condition. Shh! Gotta be quiet. This'll be the last
She
card.
really is a super hyper, what do you call it? Super hyper mega blaster impressive.
Come on, I said this is the last card!